Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we've got our toes in the sand over on the west end of Panama City Beach, just off of a public beach access. Just a couple blocks, is it 2 blocks from this house?
Not even.
Like a block from this cute little beach house, 3-bedroom with a garage. Tell us more about it, Heather. What do you love about this house?
Okay, so this house is situated perfectly. It's not quite on the corner, but the corner lot's not going to be developed. So you've got Gulf views from the house in the backyard. You've got wood floors throughout. It is beautifully decorated, perfectly quintessential beach. And you're just steps from the sand.
And it comes with the furniture, if I'm
Yes.
correct, right?
Yes.
So
2-car garage, 3-bed, 2-bath right here.
ready to go.
Yes, you can look at this water.
It has a cute kind of like little porch off the back and has an extra little bonus shed. So if you have any hobbies, you got, need some, put your tools away or more of your beach toys, it's perfect.
The kitchen is nice and large if you're going to have family or guests. This one is not a short-term rental.
Okay.
So it needs to be your primary or secondary home, but it's right here.
Yes, west end of the beach, perfect location. You're close to Pier Park. You're close to Frank Brown Park. You're close to the airport. You're a short drive to the amenities of 30A. The location cannot be beat on this 3-bedroom home. If you are interested, please give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
If you want more pictures and more information from the MLS listing, look in the description below and click the link. Check it out.
You don't want to miss out on any future deals in Panama City Beach or beyond like this one. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell.